Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language and region on your iPhone. So you're just going to go to settings, go to general, and you are going to find language and region. Here you can change your iPhone language to whichever you want. There's lots to choose from, as you can see. Then you can also do like edit this preferred language order. I have English on the very top. You can also change the region you're in and the calendar, and also the temperature unit. I use Celsius, of course, but as you can see, there is the sort of format example. I use the Gregorian, is that how you say it, calendar format. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!